What's up, guys? The day has come. So I did a video probably 2 months back on this rear view mirror that this company sent me, and it turns out I don't really like it that much. So Kemimoto sent me a new one, and then I tried to take the screws on this one off. Here, I'll show you it real quick. This thing, I tried to take it off and all the little China screws stripped out. So now I'm just gonna have to cut it off. So the day has come and I'm gonna cut this thing off and put on the new one, and the new one's gonna be way more badass than the old one, and I'll be able to see a lot better since this thing is kind of a turd. It was a free turd, and you know, it was cool. I tried it out for a little bit, and turns out didn't like it. So we're gonna chop it off and get a new one. Thanks. Alright guys, I took it out of the box a while ago, but it comes packaged, nice and bubble wrapped, and let me see if I can tear this thing open. Ah. Wow. Quality is probably better than Polaris's. I dig it. It looks good. Let's see, how it goes on. But it looks good. I like it. I think it'd be better than, whoa. It'd be better than that piece of junk. All right, so we have two clip style nuts that are gonna clip on to this part right here. And then two washers and two bolts. So we'll see how easy it goes together. Does not come with, see how easy this is. This one does not come with its own Allen wrench, which the last manufacturer that sent me a rear view mirror was like, oh, make sure that you show that it comes with its own installation tools. And it's like, dude, it's an Allen wrench, like chill. Like that Allen wrench they sent me stripped out in like 30 seconds. So let's see how this goes. Come on. Oh yeah, that is like a million times better, but how does it? Ah, that's just like way better. Like it doesn't make any sense to have a big wide mirror, and you always gotta like think about like the wide angle that you're looking at. Like it just doesn't work. I mean, even if it did come with its own like 3-cent Allen wrench, you know, it's probably not worth it. I think that one was $20. This one's like 40, and this one's like a million times better. So just get the Kemimoto one, and you'll thank yourself. Don't buy the Polaris one because it's like 4 times as much as this one. It's not worth it. I can't see them. Oh, completely different thing. So the adjustment up here is a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright. That's all she wrote. Thanks guys. Looks good. Ta-da! Thanks Kemimoto. We still don't know.